What's going on, guys? My name's Bill. This is Tool Tech Tuesdays. On Tuesdays, I like to bring you guys tools that I've been using in my videos or that I've been using on projects in and around the garage. Question for you. If you needed to drill a hole into the end of a piece of solid round stock like this here, how would you secure this in your vise or in your drill press? Would you use a vise like this? Maybe feed it up from below and clamp it in place and try to guarantee that you got your stock perfectly plumb and in line with your drill bit? What if I told you there was a better way? What you need is a cheap lathe chuck. Let me show you. What you do is you use your lathe chuck as your vise. Now you can bring your piece up from underneath, tighten it down. Then what you do is you center your piece under your drill bit and clamp it in place. And now, you get your hole perfectly where you want it, perfectly in line with your round stock. Would have been in the center, but I didn't line it up very well. So there you go, guys. A cheap lathe chuck as a drill press vise. Comes in super handy, allows you to get nice, straight holes through some solid round stock. Appreciate you guys for watching. Hit that subscribe, hit the bell, and get back to work.